All right, gentlemen, I give you the rules in the dressing room. I want to speak my command all the time. Protect yourself all the time. You understand? You understand? Touch your gloves and good luck. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming you to the main event of the evening. Mohammed the Falcon Waseem, the 38-year-old, takes on Jacarut Majongo, the 30-year-old. This is a battle between Pakistan versus Thailand, ladies and gentlemen. Commencing round number 1. Both fighters take the middle of the ring.
Main event of the International Boxing Championship in Lahore. Mohammed the Falcon Waseem.
Jacarut coming out guns and blazing. Goes for the jab to the body. Beautiful left hook landed by Mohammed Waseem. Sends his opponent on the back foot.
They both landed a lot of clean shots already. Nice body shot from Mohammed Waseem there.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 12-round bout. This is for all the marbles, WBA World Gold Bantamweight title.
Nice jab from Mohammed Waseem there. Oh, big right hand by the opponent.
Jacarut. He's really putting it on Waseem right now, landing the jabs to the body. Goes for the overhand right, which just graces Waseem's gloves. Waseem is coming in fast into this, ladies and gentlemen. Good jab to the face by Waseem. Jacarut eats that well. It can't get any more intense than this, Sherry.
Very much.
Beautiful shots to the body by Waseem. Jacarut counters with the hook.
Very tense.
You can feel it in the atmosphere. This is the main event.
Jacarut has landed a lot of big shots already, so it just adds to the intensity, doesn't it?
Oh! Jacarut drops Mohammed Waseem. A minute left. Let's see how well Jacarut takes advantage of this.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
It's on now, ladies and gentlemen. Jacarut is pouring it on. Mohammed Waseem down again.
Oh, it's done. It's done. He can't.
He landed a really big shot on Waseem.
Are you okay? Hands up.
Waseem is ready to rock and roll again. Waseem needs to survive this round. 30 seconds left.
Oh,
Jacarut slips.
oh.
Waseem is in this fight right now.
He's done. His legs are gone.
17 more seconds to go of round number 1.
Oh, this is done.
Jacarut with a beautiful 1 and 2.
Oh, he's done. He's done. He's
Waseem
done.
eats the hook.
Throwing the towel is done.
This is a dog fight, ladies and gentlemen. That's the end of round number 1. Waseem took on a beating in round number 1. Nobody expected this. This was unprecedented. Everyone had Waseem coming in as a favorite. But Jacarut had other plans in mind, Sherry.
That's boxing for you.
That's boxing, ladies and gentlemen. This shows that we are hosting legit fights in Pakistan. Equal competitors are being given to world champions. And as you can see, a beautiful left hook landed on the chin of Waseem, which dropped him flat on his back. Wow.
He caught him square as well, which didn't help.
Jacarut really putting the pressure on Mohammed Waseem right now, ladies and gentlemen. Waseem has a minute to regroup.
Done. That minute is not enough.
Let's see how well Waseem has regrouped in this round number 1. Jacarut again is going to come out guns and blazing. Goes for the jab to the body.
This is going to be a major problem. I think you mentioned earlier, you know, these fighters from Thailand are built of bricks.
And as you can see, Jacarut holds a really good physique on him as well. Goes for the jab to the body.
And he came out like a, all guns blazing in round 1 and round 2.
Waseem keeping his guard up high.
This is not the fight to fight. He needs to be careful with him. He can't afford to get caught again.
but it shows that
Yes,
Jackroot is packing a lot of power behind these punches, ladies and gentlemen. Again with a beautiful 1 and 2. Wasim needs to keep his range. He needs to stay composed. A good hook landed by Wasim. Wasim has battled adversity in the past as well.
Absolutely.
This is nothing new for him.
He just has to keep it tight for this round, get through the round, recover.
Yep. He needs some time to
Ooh,
recover.
good left hook by Mohamed Wasim. Uppercut too.
That's Mohamed Wasim for you, ladies and gentlemen. Lightning speed in his hands.
Great jab by Mohamed Wasim there.
It can't get any more intense than this, ladies and gentlemen. The main event everyone had been waiting for.
Oh, big right hand by Mohamed Wasim.
Wasim's in his element now again. He just needs to maintain his distance.
Pick your
Jackroot, on the other hand, needs to do what he's doing.
He
He needs to apply the pressure. Yep.
That's it. Keep it tight. That's what Mohamed Wasim needs to do. Keep it tight and find his way back into the fight. Good left hook there by Mohamed Wasim. Timed it very well. Great body shot too.
Mohamed Wasim is pouring on the pressure now. Jackroot keeping his guard up high. Ooh, swing and a miss by Jackroot.
Bit wild there. But we can see why he's doing it because
Yep.
it worked for him in the first round.
Because it's worked for him. He knows he has the power to knock Mohamed Wasim out.
Sometimes there is such a thing as getting caught cold. Wasim wasn't really ready for it. Maybe he'll... Great left hook. Maybe he'll work his way to the fight. Let's see.
A minute left in round number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Jackroot pouring it on Wasim. Wasim keeping his guard high.
Good combination.
That shot broke the guard of Jackroot.
Good right hand. Good right hand.
Good power shot.
Just needs to keep it tight. 30 seconds, get through the round.
This is a normal day for Mohamed Wasim, right? He's been training for this moment, as so has Majungun.
Great left hook from Wasim. What was that? Low blow.
Yeah, Wasim says he's good. He's ready to continue. 20 seconds left in round number 2.
Good left hook on
Good left hook by Wasim. Like we said, Wasim has that lightning bolt speed, ladies and gentlemen. Wasim got through the fire. He got through adversity. Wow, Sherry, what a way to kick off this main event.
I think everyone had a heart attack in the
Dude,
first round.
Everyone has sweaty palms right now.
My hands are soaked.
As you can see, Mohamed Wasim lands a beautiful left hook, staggers his opponent, follows it up with an uppercut, follows it up with another left hook. Good jab to the face by Wasim, broke the guard off his opponent. We're heading into round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how well Wasim holds on. Has he recovered or not? That's the main question for us. He seemed pretty composed in round number 2.
Okay.
Oh, it can't get any more intense than this for Wasim.
Very interesting first 2 rounds.
Wasim needs to maintain his distance. He needs to fight at range.
He's the
He
box.
knows Manjugan is packing real power in that right hand, ladies and gentlemen.
He needs to fight a more intelligent fight, box, move, use your superior skills.
Exactly.
He got caught cold and he got caught standing square.
Yeah.
And then he
in
got
the-
hurt, so...
And right in the beginning as well.
Exactly, take your time. 12-round fight.
Good jab to the body by Wasim. Followed up
High
with a
pressure
jab to the
occasion
face.
as well, the biggest event in Pakistan history, so...
Exactly. Oh, that was a strong
Very
jab
strong
by
jab by
Jackroot.
Jackroot, yeah.
That would snap Wasim's head back.
Just keeps that. Oh, good jab.
Battle of the jabs going on right now.
Great
Wasim
response.
complaining that was a bit low, but he's still continuing.
Oh, whoa. Just be
Wasim's
careful,
like, no,
keep it tight.
shaking it
Oh,
off.
ooh, good left hook. Don't get into a fight with him. Clinch him.
Wasim does not
There
need
we
to
go.
get into a firefight right now. That's the last thing he wants. The referee's warning with the clash of heads. That's something to avoid at this stage at such a high magnitude event.
Mohamed Waseem. There we go.
Waseem's complaining that Jack Root is hitting him in the back of the head, which is illegal in boxing.
Good jab, sharp.
Yeah, that's Waseem's game. Waseem needs to stay at a distance.
Just box.
And just box. Jack Root won't be able to withstand his speed, that we all know. He just got into a firefight, but Jack Root needs to do what he's been doing since round 1. Explode. 1 minute left in round number 3. Good jab to the body by Waseem.
Oh!
Strong shot being
Beautiful
landed by
shots there.
Waseem.
Oh.
Waseem needs to keep his guard high.
Two great jabs exchanged between both fighters. Really good shots by
Beautiful
Waseem.
shot to the body, followed up with the left hook. Waseem's got his momentum now. 20 seconds left in round number 3. Again, a beautiful jab to the body by Mohamed Waseem. They call him the Falcon. Ooh, that was
beautiful.
a close one.
Beautiful movement there. Ooh, nice. Very clever by Waseem. Nice. There you go. End of round 3.
End of round 3.
What have you
Waseem
been-
feels pissed.
What have you been most impressed by so far?
Jack Root's power, man. This kid's stacking some real power in his hands, and look at his physique. It speaks for itself. But then again, Mohamed Waseem has the speed, which is on his side. Again, you can see a beautiful left hook followed up with the right hand, followed up by a few jabs. A good shot to the body, and another one to follow it up with. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your main event of the evening of International Boxing Championship 2 live in Lahore, Pakistan, where we've seen some outstanding fights from the past 4 days. And what a way to close off the finale, the main event. The pride of Pakistan, Mohamed Waseem, fighting for all glory.
Round 4, here we go. Jack Root with 2 knockdowns in round 1. Mohamed Waseem has recovered very well over round 2 and 3. And we enter round 4 with the atmosphere still as tense as the first 3.
Let's see how well Jack Root applies his strategy in round number 4. Oh, power shots being landed. Waseem kept his guard high.
He just has to keep it tight. Good shot there.
Good jabs by Waseem. Shot to the body by Jack Root.
Ooh, really good jab there by Waseem.
Good head movement by Waseem as well. Excellent pivoting. Ooh.
Be careful.
Yeah,
Too
Waseem
close.
needs to keep his guard high at all times. Do not get into a firefight.
That was
Jack
on
Root,
the-
on the other
that
hand,
was
this
on the
kid
belt.
needs to get into a firefight.
That's his style.
Good right hand as well by Waseem. 2 minutes left in round number 4.
Oh, beautiful combination by Mohamed Waseem there.
Waseem's on fire now, ladies and gentlemen.
He's found his rhythm a bit
Yep,
like
he
Tariq
found
Zayn did
his
at
rhythm.
points, yeah.
He didn't even get a chance to get his rhythm in, right? Jab to the body by Jack Root. This is Thailand versus Pakistan.
Battle of Asia. Needs to be careful on the inside.
Jack Root again, right hand to the body. Waseem follows it up with a few jabs. Ooh, left hook eaten by Waseem.
Be careful. Good shot there by Waseem.
Power shots being landed by Mohamed Waseem.
Very jab heavy at the moment. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, man, jabs win fights if it's utilized the right way. Mohamed Waseem, after every shot he's shaking his head. It's never a
Brilliant
good
left
sign.
hook.
Good
Dip of
left
the
hook
shoulder.
landed. Good shot to the body by Jack Root. Oh, Beautiful right hand land by Wasim.
The issue is he hasn't put a dent in him.
Jack Root goes for the defense.
He needs to find a way to hurt this kid.
Yeah, these body shots are going to start taking a toll on Jack Root, right? That's what Wasim's aiming for right now.
Yeah. Good left hook, uppercut as well.
Jack Root counters with the left hook of himself. 2 jabs landed by Mohammad Wasim. 10 seconds left in round number 4. Wasim needs to do what he's doing right now. Control the pace.
Nice.
Control the
Oh, nice.
And that was
Brilliant
after the
right
bell. Some advantage you get on your home soil when you're fighting, right?
Jack Root with 2 clean jabs landed there, Mohammad Wasim.
Mohammad Wasim needs to start applying some forward pressure while maintaining his range as well.
His left hook is very, very good.
Uppercut followed up by the left hook by Jack Root. Mohammad Wasim lands 2 jabs. Strong shots being thrown by both fighters right now.
Wasim's got more volume, but Jack Root's
Yeah.
got power, hasn't he?
Wasim has all
Leading with the head, he
volume
needs to be careful.
fighter.
He needs to be careful with the head. Then you get warning from referee.
Good head movement by Jack Root. Both fighters looking to throw hooks. Jab to the body by Wasim.
Nice jab to the body there.
Whoa.
Right hook.
Both connected at the same time.
Oh! Oh, left hook, right hand.
Wasim's team up on the
You
Wow!
shouldn't get into a war with him.
Wasim should stay composed right now.
Oh, good shot. Do not get into a war with this kid.
An uppercut is what Wasim has wants.
Oh! Oh! I said don't get into a war with him.
He got confident with these shots. Third knockdown for Mohammad Wasim. 1 minute and 20 seconds left in round number 5.
He's took his gum shield out. He's taken his gum shield out as well. You can't. He did that to buy time for himself. But you can't do that.
Yeah, that's a dirty move in boxing as well, but when it's time to be applied, it's applied.
I said don't have a war with this kid. He hurt him, but then
Yep.
get back on the jab now after that.
Let's hope Mohammad Wasim has recovered. Jack Root has silenced the crowd twice up till now. And he's just going to start teeing off on Wasim now. Landing these power shots.
It's done, it's done, it's done.
Wasim needs to keep his guard high.
Needs to hold, needs to hold.
He needs to punch back as well. Otherwise, the referee's going to step in between.
Oh, good shot there by Wasim. The ref is giving every opportunity here, but oh, that's a push.
That's a push, ladies and gentlemen. That's not a knockdown. Wasim seems out of it right now.
Yeah, he's just
and
fighting
Jack
on
Root
pure-
is just
pure
slowing
instinct.
down with his punches as well.
Oh, pure instinct. Oh, good left hook by Wasim. Pure instinct. No, no, no. Oh, no.
Wasim's on wobbly
Oh,
legs.
he's done. Oh, he's done.
He's
the ref
done.
needs to stop this. This is dangerous now. Oh!
Oh, no.
He landed on top of him as well.
They've got
Oh,
15 seconds left in round
No.
number 5.
he's done.
Wasim
This is terrible.
needs to get through with this round right now. You have 5 seconds to go.
Oh! Oh!
Wasim needs to be careful. Needs
Keep
to
your hands
slow
up.
down.
Oh my God! Oh, be careful! Oh Lord!
Wow! Wow, ladies and gentlemen, this could not get any more intense.
Go sit down. Stay away from me right now. Stay away from me.
Whoa! As we can see right now, Mohammad Wasim lands the left hook, goes in for a dogfight, and Jack Root counters. He was just waiting for that counter from Mohammad Wasim. Mohammad Wasim landing 2 jabs right now. And in the flurry of exchanges, And this was the knockdown, I believe, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful left hook landed by Jackrut. Took advantage of the moment. Let's see how well Wasim's recovered. He's been knocked down 3 times now in this fight. Round number 6 of 12.
Very dangerous in there.
Wasim's chin is definitely being tested right now.
He needs to just do that and move. Do that and move. Don't trade with him.
Yeah, and Wasim has really slowed down as well.
Of course, he's hurt, isn't he? It'll take him a round or two to recover to get through it.
The chants are going on for Mohammad Wasim in the crowd. But Jackrut has not missed an opportunity to silence the crowd.
Just keep it tight. Just keep it tight and box. Good left hook by Wasim.
Yeah, Wasim needs to start working these hooks timely while keeping his guard high.
No, don't trade with him. Just needs to box.
Yeah, Wasim needs to keep his
Wasim
range
just needs
right
to box
now.
here. This is the problem. He just needs to box. But the crowd are expecting him to perform. That's why he's fighting.
Oh,
He needs to
Jackrut
box.
is returning. He's replying with these shots.
He just needs to
He's
box.
countering well. Shot to the body by Jackrut. Jabs being blocked by Wasim. .90 seconds left in round number 6.
Wasim clearly has a superior jab. He should just get behind the jab and move. This is not a street fight. He doesn't need to show his power.
Yeah, and Jackrut has significantly slowed down as well.
And especially with the 3 knockdowns, he will be
Yeah.
down heavy on the cards here. So he needs to box.
A minute left in round number 6. Jackrut on the back foot, looking to clinch up with Mohammad Wasim. Wasim needs to stay composed if he wants to get the win. His chin's been tested numerous times tonight.
He needs to be careful, Wasim. Don't
Yeah.
trade with him again. He's down 10-7 one round, 10-8 another round, so he's heavily down already. He needs to box a masterclass. That's the only way he's going to win, unless he gets a knockout, but it's looking very, very sticky at the moment. This kid is very, very tough, you can tell.
Wasim's very good when he's playing at range.
Yeah, that's
He got
it.
into a firefight in the previous round as well, which caused a knockdown.
He needs to just box to his abilities, the best of his abilities, and use what his advantages are.
10 seconds left in round number 6. Wasim needs this 1 minute to regroup completely. Man, what a fight. What a fight. My days. This could not get any better. Props to Mohammad Wasim for recovering in these 2 rounds back to back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming you back to round number 7 of this 12-round bout between Mohammad Wasim and Jackrut Manjigun. Wasim with jab to the body, jab to the head.
Good jab by Mohammad Wasim there. His jab is key. That's his best punch.
Yep.
He's been peppering him with that.
Jackrut is gassed out right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is Wasim's time to capitalize if he wants to, which he has to, because he's fighting on home soil. Yeah, Wasim needs to slow it down now. Jackred wants him to get into a firefight.
Exactly. That's where he has the advantage because he has such great power with the left hook. Wasim just needs to box. The rounds where he's boxing, he will win them on the cards.
This is exactly like Rocky, ladies and gentlemen. 1 minute down in round number 7. As intense as it can get.
No, don't get. He shouldn't be getting excited. He needs to just box up. There we go again.
Yeah, Wasim
left
needs
hook.
to keep on working that hook now.
He needs to keep his right hand tight and move.
That's a strong point. But man, the recovery on Mohammad Wasim's chin is mind-blowing. Wasim needs a knockdown real bad. He's behind on points. Ooh, strong hook landed by Jackred. Jackred is also countering back at every opportunity he gets. Good right hook by Wasim. Another one to follow it up with.
Just jab. All he has to do is jab if he wants to win, give himself a chance of winning. He stands there, he's going to get caught with something stupid.
Yeah,
like
Wasim needs to aim for the body if he wants a good knockdown. Jackred has tremendously slowed down in this round. And there seems like a significant weight difference between both fighters as well. Jackred seems like the bigger guy.
He looks bigger and stronger, doesn't he?
Yeah. Seconds left in round number 7, ladies and gentlemen.
So the rounds where he's boxing intelligently, he's winning.
He's winning.
But because he's down with a certain amount of points.
Round number 8, ladies and gentlemen. We have 7 rounds already in the books.
The game plan for him should be just jab and box your way. 5 whole rounds to go.
Wasim with the jabs again. This strategy has been working really well for him in the previous 2 rounds where he stepped it back up. Slightly
He needs to
opponent.
not get excited.
Yep.
This kid is too tough.
And he's too strong.
Yeah, so my thing would be just box him. Because the rounds where he hasn't been hurt, he's won them.
Yep.
And there's still 5 rounds to go, so he can win this on points if he
And
boxes
these Thai
smartly.
fighters,
They're not gonna stop
are
coming.
as tough as they get.
They're not going to stop coming.
Yep.
So it's not about being a tough man, it's about being a clever boxer. And give your people a show for 12 rounds if you want to leave as champion.
Good shots landed by Wasim.
No,
Wasim
he
needs to be careful.
Big left hook. Don't get excited though. If he gets too excited, he's going to get caught again.
Yeah, because Jackred is looking for that one opening only. He knows all it takes is one.
That is all it needs as well. He's proven it 3 times.
Yep.
Poker face.
A minute left in round number 8, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that's a dirty move there. Not recommended. The referee won't like that. No, if he does that, he's going to get hurt.
Wasim needs to be careful.
There we go. Look at that. That was beautiful.
Yep, beautiful shot.
Very,
landed
very
by
nice
Wasim.
combination.
Jackred answers with a combination of himself. Ooh, strong shots being landed by Jackred. Right hook by Wasim. He needs to be careful here. Exactly.
That was perfect. He
Both
landed
times-
the shots and got out of range
Both times he got caught was exactly in this position.
when he was standing square in front of the opponent. This kid's dangerous, man.
He
You've got to
is,
give him
he
credit.
is.
You've got to give him a lot of credit. Once again, we're seeing that the records are deceiving. You can't go off someone with 7
Of course.
losses being a bad fighter. He clearly has looked at the more you fight, the more likely you are to lose.
Yep. You're 100% right, Sherry.
59 fights. Crazy, crazy state of affairs there in Pakistan. He can win this if he boxes. When he starts being a tough man, he's going to...
You're absolutely right. He can win this if he boxes the right way, maintains the distance, keeps his range. Wasim just needs to play on his jab. Otherwise, Jackratt, he needs to start applying forward pressure now.
One
There's
thing we
no
know
other
for
way
sure,
about it.
whatever happens tonight in this fight, however the result goes, however this fight ends, the people of Pakistan have probably witnessed their most dramatic fight on their soil.
I swear. I've commentated for over more than 50 combat sport shows in Pakistan, and I've never seen a fight as dramatic as this. Seconds away from being called off, and then the fighter gets back up. Exactly like how Rocky played out. And let's see if Mohammad Wasim can come out on top on his home soil.
With the last third of the fight, round 9 of 12 for the WBA Gold World Bantamweight Championship.
Jackratt coming out strong in round number 9.
Wasim just needs to box behind his jab. That's his best attribute, is his jab. If he does that, he can come back.
Good combination by Jackratt. Wasim with the forward pressure, landing these
There
jabs.
we go. The jabs.
Strong jabs.
Oh, he needs to be careful there. He needs to get out of range. Just there's moments where he has little lapse of concentration. He gets caught with something.
Yeah, man, the power Jackratt is packing is just too much.
Oh, he doesn't want to. Don't have a
That
war
one
with the
didn't
kid.
hurt Jackratt at all. Just
It'll
took a
benefit
step
him at all
back.
if he does that.
The crowd is literally reacting to everything Mohammad Wasim is doing right now.
But Jackratt is hoping that they do that to
Yep.
get him to egg him on.
Good hook, followed up by a jab.
Just get the right hand tight.
Wasim keeping his right hand tight, exactly like you said. That's what's saving him from eating these power shots by Majangun. Good jabs again by Mohammad Wasim. The star of Pakistan leveling back up in this fight.
Oh, beautiful jab there. Beautiful counter jab by Wasim there.
Yeah, Mohammad
But he
Wasim
just needs to box. There
Yep,
we
he
go.
just needs to box the way he is. Needs to keep his guard high.
Oh, there
Yeah,
we go. See,
Jackratt landed
there
a
are
beautiful
signs, there are
left hook.
signs, there are warning signs. Be careful. If he boxes his way to a victory, this will be one of
Minute
the best
left in round
comebacks.
number 9.
Really good right hand counter there as well. The tape's coming off the glove there. This probably benefits Wasim. He gets a little break.
Exactly. Both are taking a break right now, if you can say.
Oh, Lord. What an atmosphere. What an occasion.
Oh,
We need to be careful, Wasim.
Wasim should not be turning this into a firefight. On the other hand, Jackratt needs to turn this into a firefight.
That's what he wants. That's why he thrives in the chaos.
Yep.
Wasim has routine with the jab. There, he can move again now. The WBA World Gold Bantamweight title, which is Wasim's at the moment. It is his first defense. He needs to get through this.
Got 3 more rounds left after this, ladies and gentlemen.
A lot of respect there between both fighters as well, which is always good to see. But you could punch each other's lights out for 3 minutes, but as soon as the bell rings, you can be friends. Jack Rawat, very, very tough man, like you said.
He definitely is. As you can see, Jackrut going for these power punches. Wasim countering really well. Threw the uppercut, followed it up with a jab. Ate a left hook on his way in. Jackrut not missing an opportunity to counter Wasim. What's happening? The corner is getting a warning.
Good shot there.
Oh, Mohamed Wasim made that shot.
No,
He's going into
getting
a
drawn
fight again.
into a fight again. He just needs to jab and move.
Jackrut wants to frustrate Wasim right now. Minute down in round number 10, ladies and gentlemen.
Very good shot there by Wasim. But once again, Jack Rawat, tough as concrete.
Oh, beautiful combination land by Mohamed Wasim. But Jackrut, he does not seem phased at all. Seems like it didn't affect him at one bit. Ooh, good combination by Jackrut.
Unless I've missed something, you tell me. Have you seen any point where he's been phased?
Not at all.
No.
Not even once.
So Wasim just needs to box and keep it smart.
Yep. Oh. That one rocked Wasim.
He got caught with his hands down. He thought the referee was going to do something there, but you can't do that. You got to keep your hands up.
A minute left
at all times.
in round number 10, ladies and gentlemen.
Can't afford to fall asleep here. He's
Jackrut
very
again
well.
lands a beautiful left hook. That's been money all night for him.
He's too close in range as well, it seems.
Exactly.
He needs to clear his head and go again.
Swing and a miss for Mohamed Wasim. 30 seconds left in round number 10. Good uppercut landed by Mohamed Wasim.
Nice boxing there.
Definitely the volume fighter in this round.
Ooh, good body shot. Oh, just be careful there. If he does it again there, then okay. Jack Rawat just not even walked up. He's literally made a brick.
Jackrut's enjoying right now.
You know what? Jack Rawat's got new fans tonight for sure. What a fighter he is.
As you can see, Jackrut landed a beautiful jab, and then Wasim countered with the right hook, followed up with the left hook. Shot to the body by Wasim. And Wasim complaining that left hook was right after the bell, which shook him up a little bit. Both fighters have a minute to regroup, to calm their nerves, to strategize for the next round. International Boxing Championships main event is happening now, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not tuned in, then please tune in.
Mohammed Waseem has 2 rounds. If he can box smart, then maybe he's got a chance of winning this fight. Really, he should be up if that's the case. If he's able
Not
to
get
box.
hit and not get rocked.
But you know Jack Root's going to go for it as well.
Yep. Jack Root's going to step it up. We haven't seen him completely fire on all cylinders right now. Jab to the body by Jack Root. Round 11 of 12, ladies and gentlemen. Waseem shaking it off. Ooh, strong hook by Waseem. Jack Root blocks that one. Good shots to the body by Waseem. Needs to keep his guard high.
Either clinch or get out of there is what he needs to do.
Ooh. Good hook at the end of that clinch by Mohammed Waseem. A minute down in round number 11.
Got caught with an uppercut there as well.
Jack Root lands a beautiful combination as well.
Good left hook there by Waseem. Oh no, there you go.
Strong shots. Jack Root shakes it off like nothing's happened. 90 seconds left in round number 11, ladies and gentlemen.
Little shrug of the shoulders from Jack Root after that combination. He really has made a brick show, right?
Yeah, man. What a dog fight by both these individuals right now. Jack Root goes
Stick to what you're good at is what he
excellent
needs to
head
do.
movement by Mohammed Waseem, maintaining the range. He needs to start pumping that jab up again and not get too excited and walk into these punches. Exactly, not to do that. Otherwise, Jack Root's going to take control like he did. A minute left in round number 11. This has been a nail-biting bout, ladies and gentlemen. From the first round up till the 11th. Let's see if this goes the distance. Ooh, strong shot. But Jack Root blocks it really well. Waseem breaking the guard of Jack Root with his jabs. 30 seconds left for this round.
24 seconds left in round 11.
Ooh, good shot to the body by Waseem. Oh, Waseem eats that beautiful left hook by Jack Root. That's been the money shot for Jack Root since round number 1.
Good work from Waseem there throughout the round.
Round number 11 in the books.
We have reached a point that we did not see ourselves reaching in round 1. Mohammed Waseem, by some miracle, has made it to round 12 after the terrible start in round 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, commencing round number 12 of this main event. Definitely the best fight of the entire championship. Oh, strong jab by Jack Root. Jack Root, if he wants to get Waseem out, he needs to start throwing hands now and pressurizing Waseem, keeping him on the back foot. And if Waseem wants to take home this close decision win, he needs to do what he's exactly been doing. Playing with the jab, maintaining the distance. Oh, right hand landed by Jack Root.
Jack Root is going to swing for the fences at some point.
And he will, and he has to.
So Waseem needs to keep it
secure the
tight.
win. He knows he's not on home soil. Waseem is. That's going to make a huge difference.
It shouldn't matter though, should it really?
It shouldn't, but hey. A minute down in round number 12. 2 more minutes to go. Oh, right hand landed by Jack Root. Waseem's definitely thrown twice as much as the strikes as Jack Root has thrown. Oh, shot shot to the body by Jacquard. This round is going to be as intense as it can. Whoa, good head work by Waseem, lands an uppercut at the brink of it.
Jacquard doesn't care. Again, Waseem just needs a box. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful boxing.
Yeah, man, they're built different.
His reflexes are very good, Waseem.
Yep.
He just needs to use those. Don't get caught square and don't eat another left hook.
Yeah, Waseem needs to be careful right now.
Jacquard's having fun as well.
Strong shots being landed.
But you can't hurt him. There's a problem. That's the only problem for him.
A minute and 10 seconds left in round number 12. Waseem needs to stay patient. Waseem with showboating. The crowd is losing their mind in the 12th round. Waseem needs to keep his head high.
He needs to keep his hands
up. Waseem does not need to showboat at all right now. This is make it or break it for him.
He just needs a box. That's all he needs to do. And you'd imagine that he's going to win.
What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. The crowd is on their feet. The chants of Mohammad Waseem are echoing through the arena.
Oh, really good. Mouthpiece is out. Mouthpiece is out, ref. Ref. Mouthpiece is out. The mouthpiece is out. The mouthpiece is out. No, it's a referee's discretion. Stopping for that. Referee's discretion.
15 seconds left. Can Jacquard do anything? Can Waseem land the significant strikes? 10 more seconds to go. This has been a dogfight since round number 1, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all she wrote. Wow! History
is made in Pakistan. History's made in Lahore.
History made in Lahore, Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen.
My word.
What a fight, Sherry. Wow.
What a fight.
This could not have been written any better. Let's see how well and how the judges render their scorecards.
You'd
Let's
imagine,
see who they're
Mohammad
gonna go to.
Waseem won that by a decision, but those knockdowns were the scary part. Outside of that, he
Yeah.
boxed a very good fight.
There's a very high chance that Waseem wins this by decision. Keep that in mind. Jacquard only has those 3 knockdowns. Otherwise,
And he may have won one of the rounds.
yeah.
Oh, there's the other guy. Who did
Yeah,
he
who
fight?
fought? Yep. He's also from Bangkok, Thailand. As you can see in the replay, Waseem just teeing off on his opponent in the last round, ladies and gentlemen.
Have they announced the winner yet?
Waseem is happy that he went all 12 rounds in his home country in Lahore, Pakistan, against a very formidable and tough opponent who caught him on early on in this fight. Let's see how judges scored this fight, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone is eagerly waiting. Everyone wants to see what happens.
Ladies and gentlemen, please show your appreciation for both boxers. We go to your judges' scorecards. Judge Robert Lane scores the contest 114 to 111. Judge Promase scores the contest the same 114 to 111. And Judge Powell Cardini scores the contest 115 to 110. All three in favor of your winner by unanimous decision. And still, the BBO World Champion, Mohammed Wasim.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mohammed Wasim has done it. He has defended his WBA title on home soil. He did what no other Pakistani has done up till now. He's made history. He fought adversity, came back up, and got the job done. Props to this kid for making history in his home country, defending his belt, doing what he does best. The superstar, Mohammed Wasim, has definitely shown that this kid can box.